everyone, I'm Elle, and today I want to do an unboxing of my Christmas present. This is a Christmas present that I got for myself, and I could not pass on this because it's a Dior limited edition from their holiday collection. So I went ahead and bought this for myself for Christmas. So let me go ahead and share this with you because I want to open it and use it right away. And yeah, I don't know if I said this earlier, but my name is Elle, and I like to share my luxury purchases and unboxings and my thoughts on luxury stuff on this channel, just because, like, you know, I want to share it with somebody, and there's not many people in my real life that understand any of this stuff and how it's just fun and for a hobby. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on with the unboxing and then kind of talk about it after, because I'm super excited to open this. And if you hear any weird noises, my dog is on the bed here, so he might move around or make some strange noises, and that's what that is. But anyways, let's open this up. I am super excited, and the packaging is so gorgeous. Let's just take a moment to admire. It's been under my tree for a little while now, and it's just so beautiful. It just makes me not want to open it because it's too pretty, but I mean, I have to get into this beautiful box. But Dior's packaging for the holidays is always just so beautiful. It's like artwork. But yeah, okay. That's enough about the box. Let's move on to see what is inside. And I can never do this very gracefully, but ooh, it's a pretty card. And I think this is my receipt here. Very pretty. Oh, so pretty. Okay, this is a very, very special piece. And I'm so excited about this. I have not seen it yet. I'm super excited. Ooh. Please excuse me if I am super annoying in this, but I am just so excited and I can't hide it. Oh, you can kind of see. Oh. Now my SA sent this to me, and it's very delicate, so it's very beautifully packed, and I'm trying to be really careful with it, so excuse me for taking a while. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It is a stunner. I am admiring it here. And my dog is making some very strange noises. But oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is the Lady Dior from the holiday collection for 2022, and it is in this beautiful, like, I want to say that this is like a printed metallic on it, and then embroidered beading here, and it's in gold. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. And then the handles here. Here's the back. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I am in awe right now. Here's the bottom. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Let's take this ribbon off. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, it is stunning. Super delicate. I'm honestly worried about it, but wow, it is just so pretty. Okay, let's get inside here. And you can see the inside. The flap also has that beautiful gold foil with the bird. And the strap is all wrapped up. And then what else is in here? That is in here. And some tissue paper, and it is white on the inside. It is it's like a suede microfiber. Oh, so beautiful. I cannot get over how pretty it is. Okay, let me unwrap the strap here. Wow, look at that. Okay, so I unraveled, I took off the packaging off of the chain. Here is the strap. Oh, it still has the stickers on it. And it's really pretty. It has the foil on it also. And then there's the back side of it. So yes, I am super, super excited about this. Funny thing about this is that I was not planning on making this purchase. I mentioned to the sales associate that I work with at Dior that I saw this online. I saw a picture of it online and I thought it was so beautiful. And then she mentioned how if I wanted to, she could get it for me. And I honestly could not pass on this because I love the Lady Dior. I have two of them. I have a small size and I have the same mini size. And I really, really love this style. And I told myself that I would definitely get another one if it was just in a pattern or a color that really wowed me. And this really, I was not planning on buying this right away because I just bought a mini in the gray and I found that I love that size. I use it so much and I told myself that the only way I would get another one, because I'm trying to kind of stop myself and limit myself from buying everything that I think is so pretty, is that I would only buy like limited edition ones or colors that are more seasonal. But honestly, I just really love this style and I didn't want to pass on it because I knew that I would probably regret it. And it is just so pretty. And this is definitely going to be a bag that I really, really, really am cautious about when I take it out. I am not really one to baby my bags after like a little while. I mean, I do kind of baby them a little bit at the beginning, some of my bags, but eventually I kind of just use them every day. Like I am totally that type of person that will take this out to the grocery store or when I'm shopping or something like that for my other bags. But this one in particular, just because of the beading on it, it's so delicate and intricate and it's white, that I'm definitely going to be cautious about this one and kind of use it more as a special occasion bag. A lot of my bags, a lot of other people would think of them as special occasion bags, but I don't. But this one will definitely be a special occasion bag for me. And it's just so pretty. Here is a look at it again. I'm just staring at it and admiring it. Oh, it's just so pretty. I'm definitely going to use it today because it's Christmas and I consider that a special occasion, and I know that I'm just going to go to my family's house and hang out with them. So I think that it's fine to take this bag, but wow, I'm really, really going to be mindful of when I carry this. I mean, I definitely want to use her because it's so pretty and it deserves to be seen, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be way more careful with this one than any of my other bags, just because of the beading and the color, and I'm just repeating myself at this point, which I usually do a lot, but wow, it is just so beautiful. Yeah, one of my friends sent me a picture of this and I was like, oh my god, that is stunning. And I think that's when I kind of went on the hunt for this with my sales associate. After my friend showed it to me, I kept seeing pictures on social media, and yeah, it's just so pretty. Ooh. But yeah, this beadwork is very, very delicate. Like, they have different sizes. Like, they have these longer ones and then these little ones. And it has like the bird and flowers. And then behind here, yeah, even behind here it has the gold foiling. Yeah. And then on the bottom it doesn't have any beads, or on the flap here. But yeah, I am going to be very careful with this. I think I'm gonna hold it in my hand more, just because I worry about this part rubbing against my clothing, and I have to be really mindful of what I wear with this. But yes, it's definitely a special occasion bag. So pretty. Okay, tell me what you guys think. I managed to get a bit of I saved a tiny bit of money on this, just because I bought it from my the sales associate that I work with in Hawaii. So that was a tiny bit of a savings there, but wow, it's just so pretty. Okay, I'm done admiring and really raving about this bag now. I'm gonna go enjoy this and kind of just stare at it with my mom and my grandma. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think. And yeah, happy holidays, Merry Christmas if you guys celebrate. Bye.